Yo, Jeremiah, we used to play Fortnite together, but Fortnite's gay now, so.
Me at the casino. You're me.
Oh fucking shit! Shit!
Fuck. Hey,
I'm in your game.
anybody?
What's
Hey,
your guys'
anybody got a
best car?
condom?
I have 3 mil in my bank, but I'm not spending it right now.
Why the
I
fuck
have,
you lying?
huh?
Yo, I'm gonna go
You
over there
said
right
what?
now.
Alright, where are we going? Where are we meeting up?
I don't know what the hell. I don't know what the host.
Casino. I heard.
Jeremiah, we used to play Fortnite together. Is he fucking? He's in game chat. No, he's not.
He's in game chat.
I don't know if he is.
Yeah, he's in game chat.
Yeah, I think he is. Yeah.
Hello.
I'm gonna go in game chat.
Yo, what's up? Chill now.
Yo,
Where the hell is
it
everyone, bro?
exciting?
Where the hell? Yeah, I know, bro. That's what I'm saying. Dude, that's what I'm saying, bro.
Let me take your butt.
There's 4 people in game chat.
Jeremiah is on the top right of the city.
Uh,
You can see him coming on the main road. The big road, the highway.
Alright, guys. We're gonna resprint.
Jeremiah's coming on the highway.
Resprint.
Alright, let's meet up. Meet up by the Los
I'm
Santos
telling them to
Customs.
come to party chat.
Yeah, no car.
Alright, do that. I'm gonna set it up. Alright, guys.
Hello?
Alright, let's go where
Yo.
Yo, I do
go
not
where
remember
little
playing Fortnite
go where
with you.
LZ scoped is.
Hold on, take me to my car.
You
It's
don't?
right there, that green one.
Dude, you have me
No, I
you
don't.
added, I think.
Swear.
I have you add. I had you added. I had you added before
It's right
this.
there behind you.
I saw on God. I swear.
Really?
On my mama, bro. On God.
You sound familiar, to be honest.
Okay, so I have 3 mil in my bank. I don't know what car to get though. I have 3 mil in my bank.
I'm taking a little Beamer car, but I gotta get it fixed up. I got like hella shit on it.
I'm trying to. I got the Turismo all right now and the Feltzer like maxed out.
I brought
But I'm only
Drift
I'm only
Yosemite.
rank 15, so I mean high 14. But I got Turismo R, I got 3 mil in my bank. I got 3 mil in my bank because of heist already. I'm rank 14, I got 3 mil. Well, or 5 mil in total,
Yo, Lucky,
You
what
got
were we saying
made.
though? Hold on.
Huh?
What were we gonna say, Lucky? What were we gonna say? Go ahead and say what you're gonna say.
Nah, I said
That's
Yosemite.
customs, the third one.
Everyone's already going to the casino though.
Oh. Let's go casino then.
I'm just gonna go ahead and fix up my car at Los Santos really quick and then lower it.
Up right there.
Go ahead.
It's 0.7 miles away, so it's a minute.
Everyone's in game chat though. Do you wanna go to game chat?
I don't know if my game chat works. Did you hear me in game chat?
Yeah.
Or let's go to game
Yeah.
chat.
There's only one
Let's go to
person
game
in game
chat.
chat right now.
No, there's only one person in
Oh.
game chat. Yeah, let's go back to party. Let's stay in party. I have an okay car right now. I haven't maxed out yet, so. Wait, sure. Jeremiah. Jeremiah.
Yeah, what's up?
I have 3 mil in my bank, so what car should I get? Like that's like
God damn, how
a.
much time is you gonna say
I was
that?
thinking about the Zentorno. I was thinking about Zentorno, but
Get the Supra.
Supra.
Yeah, and lower it.
Eh.
Or get the Sultan Classic. That's a really nice car.
You know, where are we gonna meet? 'Cause I have to.
Casino.
Right here. Casino.
Casino.
Yo, I got 3 mil. Where should I meet y'all?
Oh, you got 3 mil too? I thought I was the only one who had 3 mil.
Yeah, I got 3 mil. Bro. What's up?
I know, right? I got 3 mil too. What's up?
Let's go. Wait, what's your name again?
Wait.
I thought I was the only one with 3 mil.
Such a whack ass up.
Gosh, make
Damn.
sure.
Okay.
Don't fuck
I
with
am
Bill
way,
Gates.
but who cares? You know. Don't mean shit. It's,
You still got 3 more.
yeah, I got 3 mil.
Just checking.
Ooh, damn, this car right here. Ooh, this muscle car though.
Fuck, my fucking car chopped in half.
That's an interesting way to say it.
This car next to me is pretty cool. I like whoever's car is next. Whoever's car is right next to me is pretty. Ooh, my lordy.
I caused 10 people in a party with 15 people in a game. Imagine.
Whoever is this car that I'm standing in front of, the white guy. You see the white suit?
The white
That
guy?
car-
Jesus Christ, you
No.
racist bastard.
No, I'm not trying to say that. The C10 truck right here. Damn.
Don't touch
2
my shit.
turbos in the fucking engine. Holy hell.
Hey, don't get too wet.
How do you How do you explode the vehicle so it's like that? The one car right next to me. How do you do it? I kind of forgot. Guys, what button do you press to show off the vehicle? What button do you press?
Press the 2 squares. Like, I don't know what that's called, but press the 2 squares.
No,
Wait,
that's
are you
not-
talking
that's
about
what you do.
Or are you
Yeah,
talking
implode
about
the
to like
vehicle.
rear? Oh.
Like pop up the
I
hood.
don't know.
Pop up the hood.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah, you have to go to your interaction menu.
Direction. Oh, hold R2. Okay. Alright. What do you do?
No. You don't hold R2.
No,
Alright,
I
you see
know.
the 2
I'm
squares?
holding the whole 2 squares. That's what it's saying. That's what I want to say. Yeah, hold it. And pop out your
Okay.
vehicle menu. The menu.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do then?
Then just go to vehicle doors.
Got it. There you go.
I think you
That's
should,
my car.
you should.
Yeah, I did it. You see the blue car? The blue car. This is mine. It's okay. This man's doing wheelies out here.
But these niggas need to learn how to drive.
Imagine. Yay! I'm kidding. Alright. Hey, Turismo! Oh, you little bitch! Whoever the white tea clover is, I'm gonna fucking kill
Bro,
you.
why is everybody's cars flipping?
I'm gonna fucking kill you. Oh, you're dead, bro.
Oh
You wanna
my
fucking-
god, bro, it's fucking retarded. Bro, I feel like somebody's gonna orbital this whole car meet, bro.
I
I'm
swear,
scared.
someone, I'm fucking gonna
I'm
kill this kid
scared.
here.
I'm scared. I don't like
Stupid
it.
bitch.
Who called me stupid? Who called me stupid? You talking to me?
Your mama.
We're talking to the stupid bitch.
Alright. Better not be talking to me.
Oh, wow, that's it.
Imagine if he was though.
Motherfucker.
Hey, who's the one right there? The one in front of the green car.
The one with the green car, that is, I don't know.
Some black guy, I think it is.
Mine's a blue car, that's all I know.
No, some. Okay, look at this.
This
It's
green
so
car is
low
pretty
that-
dope though, I like this.
Hey, the one in the white suit.
Ooh. Matt.
My truck's so.
Whose car's the
so
best
low
too?
that
Whose car? Yo, young boy,
my
young boy.
truck's. Yeah, my truck's so low that the wheels go on top of the fucking thing. Watch. It goes over the fucking fender.
What the fuck? Whose car is that? This is my car right here. Look, this is me, guys. You see this? You see me on top of blue car dancing?
This is your car right here?
No, the blue car, yeah. I have 3 mil in my bank though, so I can buy like a 3
Alright,
million
guys, I'm
car.
gonna ask one of my friends to go into my car.
Bro, please buy a car already. I don't want to hear you say you have 3 million in your account anymore.
Alright, I will. Hey, chill the fuck out, whoever that is.
This is a pretty clean R8. I'm not gonna lie. I'd say probably the best cars here is this R8 right here, and then this white one over here.
Where? White one?
Yeah, this over here.
Where?
Like this car
Where the
here
fuck are
is
you?
being underrated. Over
Oh,
here on
this
top
car?
of it.
This car?
Yeah, I like this right. Yeah.
It is pretty nice. It's like a matte white. Trying to pop your tires, whoever that is. Bro, your color smoke is not cool, dumb bitch. Most of my color smoke is better than yours.
Shut up, you have 3 minutes, okay?
Shut up. Fuck you.
Your mommy.
Eat my ass.
Bro, look at you. Just throwing your car over there and shit.
What the fuck is that? The hell? Oh, you motherfucker about to die.
Alright, invite me. Gimme.
Hey, how do you get those tires?
The fuck is this? Look at this. Hey, you little
Invite
shit.
me, gimme. Invite me, Goo Goo Bear.
Oh, you motherfucker. He's trying to kill me.
Wait, who needs an invite?
Oh, me, Tacky TTV.
Wanna fucking die, little bitch?
Tacky TTV. Alright, thanks for
Fucking
the
faggot. Get the fuck
Alright,
out.
not little
Hey,
loopy.
bro, back up with that.
Shoot him out. Shoot him out.
RPG, bro.
Alright, so I had to leave that session, so Lucky Save, Bill Gates, and I are gonna go and make our own group and have our own car meet.
Here,
And
wait.
I'll explode that. Oh,
Bro, I'm really about to get your pickle chin now, boy.
Lucky Save, did he make it or no?
Yeah, there's 3 people interested.
Oh, give me an invite. Did you make an invite session
Alright.
only or not?
Invite them, Mondo. Yeah, make invite session only.
Swamping people. Oh.
Mondo, did you make it?
No, you're not to make it.
Okay, I'll make it. I'll make it.
He's only played nothing. Character rank in GTA is 46. Total cash earned 22,000. I don't give a fuck.
Hey, you should have put no explosives, none of that.
Hey, should I let this guy in? He only has $22,000.
I think these cars are
What is
modded.
that like? No, wait, hold on. Let me make the session only first. That way I could tell him like, oh, we made the session.
I'll open them now.
Mondo, how much is it? Oh, hold on, I'm making it. PUBG Online. Invite only session.
I don't worry. Who the fuck am
Just need a context on Instagram, iMessage. The name, he says the name.
Oh, damn.
You good? Okay.
Yeah.
Invite everybody, Mondo. I'm gonna
Okay.
invite you. Hold on.
Yeah, bro, they make me hard as fuck.
That dude.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Lucky Safe has a fast gym too.
I gotta see that shit, bro. Shit'll make me hard in a second.
What the fuck?
Whoa.
See what I mean, bro? I got an addiction to cars and shit.
Hey, did you get the invite to the session?
Nah, bro.
Alright, hold on, I got you, bro.
Yeah, send it for now, dude.
Hey. Yo.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is that?
Yo, somebody help me go.
What is that, bro? What is that?
Why did this man leave?
Yeah, I don't know. Y'all need
Hey,
to
Bill
invite-
Gates also streaming. Let's go, bro. Invite me.
Oh, am I streaming, bro? Oh shit. Let me turn that
You
off.
just
Come on,
sent us fucking co-stream invite. You're
Oh,
co-stream
okay.
with me, bro.
Yo, why did a sister fucking...
Already stream. Yeah, that's whatever. Invite me to the game, bro.
Yeah, I got you. Did you get it?
Oh, invite me to the game.
Did you get it,
Oh,
bro?
there we go. Yeah, I got him.
Yeah, my bad.
Yo, Lucky say fucking sister.
Stop. Yeah, bro, don't say that, bro. Come on now, bro. Don't be exposing the boy.
Fuck, there's hella more people wanting to join. Miss it.
Oh, the man who voiced Elmo is apparently a pedophile. That's cool.
What?
What?
The lion costume in the Wizard of Oz was made from real lion skin.
Where did you see that at? Instagram?
Mr. Mosby, Phil Lewis killed someone while driving intoxicated.
What?
Who is he talking about?
Just people in general.
Male calls? Wait, who'd you say?
I have to damn it.
Whoa, where are we meeting?
Where do you
at?
want to meet up?
I know a
meet up
spot.
at
I know a spot. No, shut the fuck up. I know where to meet. It's a perfect drag spot too.
The fuck up, pussy. Lucky
The little
Save
Just
shot,
follow,
the little
just
shot.
follow Quiet Fawn.
Quiet phone.
That guy.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Here, let me.
Where's Quiet Phone?
Lucky Save. Make sure everybody got the invites to this session.
So where are we meeting at?
Yeah, I got you. Let me say it one more time.
Follow Quiet Fawn. I know where to go. Yes, my IGN shows up as Quiet Fawn. Don't question it.
Don't worry, bro. I don't want to question it.
Wind up facing 1 point.
Oh fuck.
Bro, yo, little shy. Do you want help getting cash, bro? That shit's slow as fuck. I forgot how to do like dances and shit in this game. Everyone line up on this line.
So I'm guessing you just started playing because of the coronavirus.
Oh, I started playing again because of coronavirus.
What the?
Oh shit, wait, what? I was buying flares.
Come on, 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 come on. This. Damn, before we left you. But
No, you
we
didn't.
left your ass.
I left y'all's. Bye bye, niggas. Have fun with that shit. That shit's a full loop. That's how you gotta win that shit.
But look at my car. Look, the bumper goes under. Look. That's why you can't have it so low. My shit launched after.
Get the fuck back here, bitch. Nah, nah. No, this isn't acceptable. I refuse to lose to you. That's why y'all's like, you had a dead lead and I just creeped up on you. That shit's fucking good. You just... You really thought you was gonna beat me there, didn't you?
Bro, I'm out of the. Dude, I think I might lose to this.
You've been getting ahead of me this time.
Don't tell me
I
I'm
think
about
so,
to
buddy.
lose little Fudo.
Just about smashed into that man. Yeah, if you're gonna be doing that shit, I gotta pull out my actual fucking good car. Give me a second. Mechanic.
Hey, where's Bill? Where's what's his name? Bill Gates.
Oh. I don't know. Where's my car?
Bro,
Where's
you
my
better
car?
be
Where's
ready.
my-
'Cause once I get to the spot, I'm gonna smoke your ass, Lucky.
You ain't gonna smoke anybody.
I'll smoke you and your mouth.
No, you won't. Not
I'll
in
lick
this. Not in this.
Do you know what I mean?
That's gay as fuck. I hope you know that.
I know. That's why I stopped saying it.
Did you just fucking hit my car?
Yeah. It wasn't me though. It was the ghost. What the fuck? Who brought this shit?
You really think you can out drag me in that? What the fuck is in the plane? He got in the fucking back of it. Oh. Wait, now this is a job for me. This is a job for me. Let me just, you know.
Lucky
Hey, let me
save.
down, let me
Check
down.
your
Let
telephone.
me down.
Lucky save. Check your telephone.
What do you want me to check?
Bro.
Hey, let me out. Let me out. No, 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 wait. Don't let me out. Don't let me out. Don't let me out.
Bro, I'm
Don't
gonna
let me
go
out.
fuck up this man's whole career.
Don't let me
Just
out.
wait. Just wait.
Don't open it. Do not open it.
Oh, I'll be the one to
No, no.
open it. Don't worry about that one, buddy. Boom. Oh, Nani?
Why do you not like fun?
Oh, fuck. My car's gonna blow up.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Huh?
Don't want to see one of my modded outfits? Aw, that's gay.
Who has a feudo?
Chomp.
Does he still have it out?
I mean, oh, you mean this one? This one in here?
I'll race it.
Oh
I
wait,
have a
are we
feudo too.
pulling out
I'll do a
Fudos?
feudo race.
Oh my god, we're pulling out Fudos. Let me get mine out. No fucking way, bro.
Hey, can I pull up my photo?
Yes, everyone Fudo race right now.
Got you. But mine's like the best, what's it called? Racer car ever.
Bro, you ain't got shit on my Fudo. Who the fuck is pulling up? Oh, ice in the fucking skyline, bro.
I thought we said photos.
Yeah, bro, that's not a Fudo. Get that shit out of here. Ah, fuck. Bro, you can pick him up off the street. What you mean, fam? Bro, I have the best Fudo here. Y'all ain't got shit on me.
I beg to differ.
You really don't.
I beg to
And
Hey,
it's
who the
just,
fuck is this guy?
it's straight facts, bro. You ain't got shit on my Fudo.
Nah, bro. Naruto.
Just look at
Naruto's
this
the
beauty.
best.
Look at
Guys,
this.
Race. Let's race. Stop talking. Let's race.
Hold up. I gotta get there. Hold up. Don't start yet.
Wait, move out the way.
Mother.
I love how slow everyone's acceleration is.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
things slide too much.
Can you fucking not, bro?
I love how the skyline is just like in the back. uh. Frickin' game banged. Hills ain't got good looking cars, and that's just straight facts.
Told you mine is the best looking car.
Y'all's cars are ugly as fuck.
That's to pay it upwards of $112 for my vehicle.
You crashed. What?
Bro, man really just spent like 2K on everybody's cars.
Plus the amount of range you
You
can put the
crashed.
bombs on there.
Oh.
You really crashed.
Oh, that's fucking sad.
Game fucking crashed.
Don't come on, nigga. They're straight north side. North side, nigga. Oh, fuck.
You ran
Shit.
out.
Alright guys, thank you very much. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned.